welcome to NewtonGATE Academy, where we make your dreams come true. Our institute has came up with a new course that is Spoken English Junior. Spoken English is very important nowadays for everyone, even for juniors as well. We have seen that there are many students who are very good in writing part, but they become nervous in any oral round or in any conversation round. So in that part only we will work on. We will boost their self-confidence. They will converse with others in any situation, and definitely they will become a well-groomed personality. So there are few sections which we teach. Introduction round, which is very important. They will learn how to introduce themselves in front of others. Conversation round, they will converse with many other children. That will help to build their confidence. Storytelling, recitations, these are the activities part which they will definitely enjoy and they will enhance themselves. Tongue twister is also very important for the pronunciation part. So we focus on this part a lot, and grammar, which is also very important because most of the time they do some silly mistakes in grammatical part while conversing. So in that part also we will work on. So dear parents, don't be late. Please book your seat as early as possible. Thank you to everyone. Have a great time. Join NewtonGATE Academy.